Welcome to Silhouette America. Today I'm going to show you how to use the flocked heat transfer material by making decorative canvas bags like these ones. To get started, go to the Silhouette Studio and make or choose a design that you want to put on the bag. To figure out the size of the design to put on your bag, I just measured the size of my bag and then made a rectangle the same size, and then I put my shape in the middle, and then I just dragged to see what size, how big I want it to be. If you happen to want your design to come out the same direction, you will have to mirror it. You will definitely want to mirror your words and phrases so they will read correctly. When you're done with that, place your design more at the top of the document, so then you are saving on your flocked heat transfer material so you can use it again. Now that you have that done, go to the Cut Settings window at the top right, and then scroll down until you see Flocked Heat Transfer Material, and select that. You will notice that you won't need a cutting mat for this, and that your blade depth needs to be 3. Before you hit cut, you need to load the material, so make sure to slide the white roller over to the very left notch by lowering the blue lever, and then raise it back up when you are done. Then to load the heat transfer material, make sure the shiny side is face down, line it up with the line on the left, and make sure Load Media is selected and press Enter to load. And to change the blade depth, twist to unlock, and then use the ratchet cap on the machine to change the depth to 3, and then load it back in, twist to lock. Now double check your cut settings, and then hit cut. After it is all done cutting, press Enter to unload, and then you should be able to see where it cut like this. Trim off the extra heat transfer material to save for later projects, leaving a border around the anchor. Now peel off the negative space that is around the anchor because we do not want that ironed onto our project. Leave the parts of the design you want to transfer on the clear plastic transfer sheet. Once you have peeled it off, it should look similar to this. Next, heat your iron to the typical cotton settings. Position your design on your project face down so that you see it through the clear transfer sheet, and then place a cloth over the design and place a heated iron on top, pressing firmly into the design for about 45 to 60 seconds. Repeat this process until the entire design is pressed. Remove the iron and cloth and gently peel up the transfer sheet. If the heat transfer material continues to stick to the transfer sheet, replace the cloth and iron again. Once you're all done, your project should look something like this when it's done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.